got my barbecue shoes on. Gonna smoke me a
Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're grilling up the world's biggest rib steaks at the pit, and they're real easy to do. Now, if these aren't the biggest rib steaks in the world, then they're sure as hell damn close. All right. So here we've got some rib steak, right? Nice and thick. They're running about 64 ounces each, more or less, right in there. Now, to prepare these steaks, it doesn't take much, but some good seasoning. At least get some salt and pepper on there and apply it liberally, right? And you want to do this a few hours before. This will allow the texture to build, right? This is what you want for serving a good steak. So we're going to hit all sides of this rib steak. We're using our SPG. Like I said, use your favorite seasoning. Get it all over, man. Man. We're going to be eating good tonight, Martha. Get that pretty red dress of yours on. Hey. All right. So we've applied the seasoning pretty thick. Like I said, let it wait a bit. And then we're going to throw it on medium heat. And we're going to grill it direct over the charcoal, but low and slow. And there's no reason to go fast on these. Take your time. This will help preserve all that moisture inside. Now, we'll sear pretty much all sides. Keep it moving. This will keep that steak nice and moist, like I was saying. Keep flipping. Don't be afraid of letting those flames lick those steaks. You don't mind what anybody else is telling you. This is some goodies. You getting hungry or what? Now we're using our Santa Maria grill. We can raise and lower the temperature just by cranking that wheel. We just want to do it nice and slow. Might have to go through a few beers before this one's over, right? Oh man. Oh, Lord have mercy. You just keep turning, getting an even heat on all sides, raise and lower that grate. It's just perfect. Now, it's not about time, it's about internal temperature, so we're going to probe it with our grill eye here. And we're looking for about 122 medium rare. That's just about perfect. Now, you cook it any more than this, then you're on the wrong damn channel. You got to cook it medium rare, or even rare. Now, let's plate it up. Now, like any good restaurant, you want to serve it with a potato. We got ourselves a potato, and all a good man needs is a steak and a potato. Hold the sides, and certainly we don't need any salad. I say it's time to eat. Look at that. Now slice this tender, moist, perfectly medium rare. I will say, though, that we do apologize for eating in front of you like this, but we call this Pitmaster privilege. Maybe we don't apologize. Take a look at that. Cuts like butter. Oh, yeah. Nice. You kidding me? You set it up the way you want it. This is all you need. Whoa. Good. Look at that. So the next time you're looking for a good steak recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.